Welcome to this full 2025 guide on how to create quotes, bids, and estimates in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a beginner or already using QuickBooks for your business, this walkthrough will help you confidently manage your financial documents. First, head over to the QuickBooks Online website. From there, make sure you select the correct platform option from the drop-down menu. Enter your username and password carefully to avoid login issues and smoothly access your account. Once inside, look for the New button and choose Estimate. This will open the estimate creation window. Begin by entering your customer details, including their name and email address, which are essential for sending the estimate later on. Next, set the estimate date and expiration date. Adding clear deadlines helps manage client expectations and keeps your workflow organized. Now, fill in the line items. Add your products or services with quantity, rate, and descriptions. Providing detailed information ensures that your client fully understands the offer and avoids any confusion down the road. To enhance professionalism, attach supporting documents such as blueprints, plans, or legal files if needed. Then preview the email version of the estimate. Here you can customize the subject line and body text, keeping it professional yet friendly before sending it out. When everything looks good, hit send. Your estimate will be delivered directly to your client's inbox, making the process fast and efficient. Keep in mind that estimates in QuickBooks Online are non-posting transactions. This means they act as preliminary agreements and do not affect your financial accounts until they are converted into invoices. By mastering these steps, you'll be able to create quotes, bids, and estimates that streamline your business process and build stronger client relationships. QuickBooks makes it simple, accurate, and professional.